Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this Nubia device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Following that, scroll down and choose Security. Then click on App Lock section over here under Security Update and click on this switcher next to Enable App Lock. Then you need to set your login method that you will use to unlock your apps. So create your pattern over here, choose Continue at the bottom right corner and then repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, click on OK over here. Then you need to answer this security question or click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, just click on the question and choose Custom Question. Now you can create your own. Save it by choosing OK and then remember to answer it correctly below. When you're ready, click on OK. And finally tap on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case Calendar. So now when I click on Home button and try to access Calendar app, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!